In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does payroll work on QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to set up payroll, add your team, run paychecks accurately, stay on top of taxes, and pull the right reports inside QuickBooks. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account and heading to payroll from the left menu. If this is your first time, click Get Started. QuickBooks will guide you to enter your business details, including your EIN, address, and required tax information. Take a moment to double check everything you enter here. Accurate tax IDs, addresses, and filing details help prevent payroll and filing errors later. As part of setup, you'll add employees with their full names and addresses, their pay type and rate, salary or hourly, and their W-4 tax information. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, set that up now as well. It's optional but highly recommended since it's faster for everyone and helps reduce manual checks. Once the basics are in place, go to Payroll, then Employees, and choose Add an Employee to complete or add more profiles. Fill in the pay rate, select the correct pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or whatever matches your actual pay cycle. Enter tax withholding details, and add bank information for direct deposit if you're using it. Save your changes. A quick tip here, ensure the pay schedule lines up with how you intend to run payroll, because it determines which employees appear together and helps keep your process consistent. When it's time to pay your team, go to Payroll and select Run Payroll. Choose the pay schedule you're running. For hourly staff, enter the hours worked for the period. For salaried employees, QuickBooks will calculate their pay automatically. Review the preview carefully, including wages, taxes, and any deductions, and then click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state taxes, Social Security, and Medicare, and any other configured deductions. If you're using direct deposit, be aware of funding cutoff times, so pay hits accounts on schedule. Next, head to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to review tax amounts due. If automatic payments are enabled for your subscription, click Pay, and QuickBooks will handle filing and payments for you. Depending on your plan, automatic filing and payment may already be included, but always confirm your e-file and e-pay setup is complete. Finally, for visibility and record keeping, go to Reports, search for Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and the Tax Liability Report. Download or print what you need to reconcile payroll, share with your accountant, or keep on file. That's it, your QuickBooks payroll workflow from setup to reports.